Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video about ticker HOLO. So I've been making videos about this one because I've been watching it real close. It's a very popular stock because it has a tendency to squeeze up pretty high when it does. You can see here it squeezed at one point up to 112 area, and it squeezed again over here up to the 93 area, and then it squeezed again here up to about 70 area. And people are watching it close because it is super cheap right now. It is down to 30 cents. So today saw a little bit of pump during the pre-market, and as soon as the market opened, pretty much it dropped down a little bit, got quickly bought up, went sideways until it finally broke down, bounced off a new 52-week low at 28.4, came up pretty quickly, and then back down to retest that area, 28.59. So the bottom came up a little bit, and then so it closed out down at 29, 21-ish area. But then after hours, it saw it rise back up to where it opened and actually go green for just a minute before it got knocked back down and went sideways. So if we look down here, we look at the volume, you see that it had just a little bit above average volume. And that's something I like to look for because it shows you that there's more shares moving, so you can kind of gather that there's more interest coming back into the stock. So if you look here on the swing trade bot, you will see that there's not many bullish signals. It looks very bearish. It does have the narrow range bar and the wide band, so that means the range is contracting, and range contraction usually leads to range expansion. It's hard to know which way it's going to go, but this is how I look for the reversals. So if you would take a peek on the American bulls, which I will pull up here and see what signal it's showing for the hollow. I'll just take a minute to pull up here. The signal for the day is the bullish descent block. All right, so it's a bullish signal, and American Bulls is still telling you to stay short. So American Bulls still thinks the bottom is not in yet, and that you can profit from still shorting the stock. But American Bulls is not always right. You can see here where they were wrong on this buy signal, where they were wrong on this buy signal, where they were wrong on this buy signal. So you can't always trust American Bulls. You can't always trust analysts. You can't trust anything. Basically, you just have to watch and wait for confirmation. And then sometimes the stock will move very fast after confirmation because once it's confirmed, people are going to be jumping in like crazy. So your guess is as good as mine. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I don't know. It appears, though, that the bottom was coming up on the daily here. And then if you scan out a little bit, you can see it kind of looking like it wants to hook up here. But is it going to do this? Is it going to go crazy? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. But I think every day we inevitably get closer to some kind of pump. Is it going to be a huge pump? Is it going to be a little pump and then dump back down? I don't know. All I can tell you is it looks like it pretty much dojied out, even though it's after hours. And the volume is starting to get there. The volume just went above the average. It had been below the average on the dailies. Now it's above. So surmise whatever you can from that and trade accordingly. These videos are purely for entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. You can win and lose money in the stock market. Do your own due diligence. Don't listen to some guy on the internet. And if you like this kind of content, you want to see more of it, please like and subscribe. That way you can catch my videos when they first come out and take a look at these tickers that may or may not be on your radar. All right. Good luck out there, guys.